So hey, what's up guys? You're watching Tdevelops, the channel that helps you to know more about tech. My name is Tayo, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to enable fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp. So if you need to hide any messages or for your privacy, this will really help you. By the way, if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated whenever I upload new content. It really helps the channel a lot. With all that being said, let's get into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to open your WhatsApp and go to settings, and when you get to the settings your screen will look exactly like mine. Then you go to account, then go to privacy, then scroll down, then click on fingerprint lock, then click on unlock with fingerprint, and then touch your fingerprint sensor. Then it will notify. Then you can click immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes, anyone you want. For me, I want immediately, which is already there, and you can show content in notification if you want it or not. And after that, to prove that it works and it's not a hoax, you can minimize and close it, then open WhatsApp. You see, touch the fingerprint sensor, you touch it opens. So for those who are wondering how to do the darkness stuff, it's really easy. You go to open it again, you go to settings, then you go to account, then you don't go to account, you go to chats, then theme, dark or light, choose light, you go to lighting or dark. So that's it. I hope you learned something new, and for those who are subscribed, you know that this is not the video I'm uploading this week. I just did it because I just learned it and I felt like sharing this to you guys. So I'm uploading the normal video for this week, which is longer than this, and you will enjoy it. So if you want to watch that video, so you can subscribe, you will enjoy and you will learn something from it too. So once again, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.